As everyone knows, Vlookup is the most powerful function in Microsoft Excel. This function is look up the data in a table organized vertically. In this video, we're gonna discuss about the main drawback of the Vlookup function and how we can solve this effectively. As you know that Vlookup is performing by searching the data based on the lookup value. If there are any duplicates in lookup value, Vlookup function will take only the first lookup value result. In order to solve this, we're gonna write a simple formula. This formula is quite lengthy, but it's very simple. Let's begin the video. Alright, now we can take this table as an example. We're gonna write here the VLOOKUP formula. This will be the lookup value and we need the result, this amount, based on this reference code. Okay, it's equal to VLOOKUP comma 3 comma 0. We need exact match, so we have to put 0, enter, drag it down. Now you can see here the duplicate reference code. Wherever the duplicate reference code is there, you can see the result amount is taken only one amount everywhere. This is the issue of the VLOOKUP formula. I will highlight the duplicate value here and also this table. Okay, now see here, for example 302, here is taken same one amount only, 302, here is 41,000, but exactly what is 302 is 41 and another is 44. Now we will see how we can solve this issue. Okay, I'm going to insert a column here and I will name it ref2, and here I'm going to write a formula. It is a lengthy formula, but it's very easy. And this formula is, the purpose of this formula is we have to remove this duplicate code and we have to make a unique reference code. It's equal to if countifs okay. Now we have to lock it the C2 cell F4 and here as well F4 and drag it down. Now you can see here duplicate reference code and here it's become unique reference code as it's adding 0.1. see here 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. and for example if we adding this reference again in this down and we copy this formula, it's become 0.4 and again 0.5. it will keep on add the one digit. And we can insert here as well. We can copy this formula and paste it here. Now we are going to write a VLOOKUP formula here again based on this reference code. We will make this as a reference code. Okay, lookup value. Delete this is equal to VLOOKUP. This will be the reference code, lookup value. and here we have to start from reference to B to E, comma 4, comma 0, enter, and drag it down. Now you can see the problem is solved.